Shall I buy this jacket? Well, I don't know. I like it, I must say. Not especially the color. I would prefer another color, but the cut is plain simple, and yeah, I think could be a good one. Price is all right. Frankly, it's way too cheap for a quality product, but there you have it. 100% leather, linings polyester. Okay, I can live with that. What should I do? I think I give it a try. Welcome to Caseback Watches. My name is Tim, and today's topic is the vintage Jubilee bracelet made by Rolex. And first, I have to explain why am I bothering you with that vintage leather jacket. That's why I've seen the movie The Nice Guys. Very funny movie. I liked it a lot, and I fell instantly in love with that 70s look. Very beautiful, those jackets with the big lapel and screaming colors on the ties, and nice shoes and nice watches, nice cars. Ah, fantastic. And by the way, Russell Crowe, one of the main characters, he wears a Speedy, Omega Speedmaster Professional Man on the Moon. Yeah, I think so. He wears it on a horrible bracelet, but never mind. And Ryan Gosling, second role. He wears I don't know, it's a little golden watch with a I think a mesh bracelet. And if I was the costume designer, I would choose a Mido Commander. They had their heydays in the 60s, and they are still available in the modernized version, of course. Retails at a price point like 600 euros, I guess. 600 euros. So you will be able to pick one up for 300 on the used market. Okay, but I have to explain this. Every time I see a movie like that, I'm deeper in love with the Jubilee, with the vintage Jubilee. But because it wears so nicely, it's a little bit loose, of course. But I like the sound and the feeling to it. Yeah, it's pretty damn good. But my vintage Jubilee bracelet's on the edge when it comes to stretch. This is on the edge, my friends, and I'll show you this in detail. Here it is, my Rolex Datejust, and yeah, you can see that stretch, very easy. There it is. This is quite a heavy stretch, I guess. This is wearable, of course, but look at this. Well, looks like a deer without a spine, right? I'll show you something interesting. Here I have some paperwork to that watch, and there is another link. Two links. Oh well, okay. Let's do. Here you got it, and you can see there is near to nothing. And if I compare this, then you can see the difference between no stretch and heavy stretch. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I have to do something against this because stretch is dangerous. In this Jubilee, there are little pins and dust, sand, sweat, dirt. They work like sandpaper to those pins, and one day a pin will break and then your watch is gone. Yeah, that's very dangerous. So it's important to keep an eye on the stretch, and I've decided I have to do something, and I did some research and I found two companies, one in Hong Kong, that's very far, and one in Norway, and this is of course better for me because I live in Germany. Okay, here we have the website, Klokkeland. Willkommen til Klokkeland. I think this is Norwegish, Norway. I don't know, but I don't speak it. So there's an English flag, very good. But let's go deeper. Okay, this is clearly mine, my Jubilee, and the new one. Good website. Well made website, must say. Okay, there you got it. Those pins, there you can see it pretty well. This good explanation on the side. Okay. Well, yeah, now you can see the difference. Now you can see the difference quite well. Wow, gosh, beautiful. And there you can see broken pins, very dangerous. That's the way losing your watch. Yeah. Pictures from our workbench. Okay. Oh wow, look at that dirt there. Ugh, disgusting. Ah, prices, very good. 200 US for a Jubilee, and the other bracelets are a little bit pricier. So there's a message. I've done that. Do we replace all pins? Yes, they do it, at least with the Jubilee bracelet. Okay. Yeah, good website. So I've decided to send my bracelet to Clockeland. And little disclaimer here, I'm not related to them. I'm not part of their company, of course. I have to pay for the repair, and I have to pay the full price, I guess. And in the second part of this video, hopefully in a few weeks, we can examine the result of that stretch repair together. Yeah, and I think we'll learn something about it. I hope it. And I hope I will get a nice Jubilee bracelet back. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and maybe until next time.